Amen.
Banji kumundaba ku TV oli mu church.
Many of you see me on TV, you are in the church.
Naye wachawa omusumba wo.
But you hate your pastor.
Omugeya n'omugeya.
You backbite your pastor.
Kati, what are you doing in that church?
Kati kichokola mu kanisa eyo.
Tosobola kufunira mu mirembe.
You can never get peace in that church.
You can't.
Tosobola.
Kubanga ekyabantu kiba kigambe nti okwagala kwe kusooka.
Love is first.
Katonda yasooka kwagala nsi.
God first loved this world.
Bwe yajagala ennyo n'alyoka agiwa omwana we.
He gave the world his son.
Kitegeeza obeera mu church ng'ogikyaye.
It means if you hate that church where you are,
n'okugiwa you can't.
you cannot give that church what you have.
Tosobola giwa.
You cannot give to that church.
Kitegeeza omukazi ng'omukyaye.
If you hate a woman,
nga tomwagala,
you don't love that wife of yours,
n'okumulabirira you can't.
you cannot care for her.
Tosobola mulabirira.
You cannot care for her.
Ebigambo byange tebisobola kugasa.
My words cannot be benefit to your life.
If you don't love me,
bw'oba tonjagala tebisobola kugasa.
first love me,
sooka onjagale,
first believe in me,
sooka onzikiririzeemu,
and my Jesus,
ne Yesu wange,
you'll see.
ojja kulaba,
You'll see for miracle.
ojja kufuna ekyamagero.